Usually what I do is going out to the woods, and I really do love hugging trees. You just feel that you can breathe again.
Nature is so important because it relaxes the body, and it's fresh air on the skin, and it keeps your your soul and your spirit free, and you're able to
Well, we go through so many stressful environments day to day. Our skin absorbs so much of the stuff in the air and products we put on top of it. Anywhere we can give ourselves a break, I think it's very important to be able to use natural products.
I just believe in it that we have to be proud, we have to be brave enough to show the real us, who we are, our real faces.
It keeps your skin natural and a natural look, so you can be yourself.
For the future, so that you perhaps don't need to do so much work for the skin, you use natural products, you improve the quality of your skin.
Try to be yourself and get the best to make you the more feeling for forever.
Be who you are and not try to cover up.
Put good in, put good on it, and you'll get good out.